Hi friends, hope you're doing well. Today I'm guide you that how you can use the Microsoft 365 apps, and it is amazing because I tried and it is amazing, and I thought that I should share with you. So first of all, you have to go onto the Office. Just you have to type onto the Google Office. Then you will have a link of office.com. Then you have to click it, and it will ask for the sign in. I have already signed in my account, but it will ask for the sign in. So just you need to sign in with the Hotmail account or any Outlook account you can create onto the hotmail.com or salesforce.com, any account, and just you need to log in over here. Once you log in, you will have all the apps available inside here, like Excel, Word. You can use any app over here, and it will give you all the features like your desktop app. So you can see that I have opened the Excel in front of you, and I can perform every work of my office or home related work onto the Excel, and this Excel provide all the features, and it is same like desktop application. Whatever you will save, it will be saved inside the OneDrive, and it will save inside the OneDrive, and you can also download this document at any time if you want it, and you can also share easily with anyone. So it is pretty much a smart solution, and I personally like it. So I thought that I should share with you guys. And secondly, if you want to use this application as a desktop application, so you can also do that. Just you have to click onto the three dots, then you have to scroll down, and then you have to go onto the cast and save. And inside the cast and save, you need to just install app. So it will ask for the installation permission. Just allow them to install it, and it will install instantly. So let me close it and show you that it will appear on your desktop. You can see that without any installation, now Excel is in your desktop. So once you click it, it will be open on your computer, and you can use Microsoft 365 app. You can download the data if you want. You can save the data as well, and you can share the data as well. So this is a pretty much a smart solution, and you can use it on your daily life. And also there is a option of version history, means you can restore if you lost any file or any edits. It will create a version history, so you can save it just like Google Drive or Google Docs. So it is fantastic. And if you click onto the options, then we have the regional settings and other reset options. You can explore it by yourself. And most importantly, we have the export option. So you can download this file in various formats as well. It will save automatically onto the OneDrive, but if you want to download on your local computer, so all in all the things on your fingertips, you can just go into the export button and you can download at any time. So this is a pretty much a smart solution. So if you want to use that, it is pretty much good because I'm already using in my office and it is fantastic. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video seems informative, then kindly share with family and friends, and kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.